Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to talk about something extremely practical and powerful. A simple morning routine you can follow every day to improve your English naturally, confidently, and consistently. This routine doesn't require any special materials, advanced skills, or a lot of time. It just needs your attention, your curiosity, and a few minutes every morning. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step plan that you can use starting tomorrow. But before we begin, let me quickly introduce the channel. This is English Easy to Learn, where I help you build your English skills in the simplest and most effective way possible. Whether you're learning for school, work, travel, or personal growth, you'll find lessons here that are easy to understand and easy to use in real life. So if you enjoy this lesson, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of English learners. All right, let's get into today's main topic, your morning routine to improve English. Now, why morning? Morning is powerful, it's fresh, it's quiet, and your mind is clear. The way you start your day often decides how the rest of your day will go. If you start your morning with English, even just for a few minutes, you are training your brain to stay connected to the language for the entire day. This is one of the biggest secrets of successful language learners. They stay in contact with the language every single day, even in small ways. Before we jump into the routine steps, I want to talk about something very important: greeting in English. A simple greeting is one of the most essential parts of communication. It's the first thing you say to someone, and it sets the tone for your entire conversation. Many learners underestimate greetings because they seem easy, but in reality, greetings help you practice pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, and confidence. You can use them with strangers, friends, coworkers, or even with yourself in the mirror. When you practice greetings every morning, you're warming up your mouth, your voice, and your English thinking process. Think of it like stretching before exercising. It gets your English muscles ready. Now, greetings aren't only about saying hello or good morning. They're also about how you say them. Are you smiling? Is your tone friendly? Are you speaking too fast or too slow? Are you confident or shy? Practicing greetings daily helps you adjust all these small details that make a big difference. Another thing to understand is that greetings change depending on the situation. For example, greeting your best friend is different from greeting your teacher or your boss. Greeting someone in a formal situation is different from greeting someone casually. So when we practice them in the morning, we also learn how to choose the right greeting based on the context. All right, now let's go into the actual morning routine. I've designed this routine to be flexible. You can complete it in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 20 minutes if you want. Just choose what works for you. The important thing is consistency. Step 1. Greet yourself in English. This may sound funny at first, but trust me, it works. Stand in front of a mirror, take a deep breath, smile, and greet yourself as if you're greeting someone else. This helps you build natural confidence. You can say something like, "Good morning, how are you today?" Or, "Good morning, let's have a great day." This practice warms up your voice and gets your brain thinking in English right away. Step 2. Describe your morning environment. After your greeting, look around your room, your kitchen, or wherever you are, and describe what you see in simple English. For example, "The sun is bright today." "My room feels calm." "I'm making my bed." Or, "The weather looks great." This trains your vocabulary and your ability to think in English without translating. Step 3. Talk about your plans for the day. This is one of the most powerful steps. Just say out loud what you're planning to do today. "Today I will study for 2 hours." "I need to finish a project this morning." Or, "I'm meeting a friend in the afternoon." When you talk about your schedule in English, you practice future tense, clarity, and daily life vocabulary. Step 4. Review one practical phrase or sentence pattern. Every morning, choose one simple, useful phrase and repeat it a few times. It could be something like, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Can you help me with this?" Or, I'm not sure. Let me check. Practicing one phrase per day helps your communication become smoother and more natural. Step 6. Listen to 1 minute of English audio. It could be a podcast, a motivational speech, a small news clip, or even a song. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just let your ears hear natural English. Listening in the morning trains your brain to recognize sounds better. Now, before giving examples, let me say this clearly. You don't need to be perfect. Morning practice is not about perfection, it's about habit. You don't need to sound like a native speaker, you don't need to understand everything. What matters is showing up every morning and giving your brain that small daily push. All right, let's look at a few examples of how these steps sound when you do them. Example greetings. Good morning. I'm feeling great today. Or, good morning. I hope today will be productive. Or, hello. Let's make today amazing. Example describing the environment. The light is coming through the window. My coffee smells really good. Or, the weather looks cloudy. Example daily plan sentences. Today I will study for 20 minutes. I need to send 2 emails this morning. Or, I'm planning to exercise in the evening. Example phrases to practice. Could you repeat that, please? Or, can you help me with this? Or, I'm not sure. Let me check. See how simple this is? You can do it all in just a few minutes. And if you follow this routine every day, your English will improve naturally because you're training your mind to use English as part of your lifestyle, not just as a school subject. So that's your complete morning routine for improving English. Make it a small habit, enjoy the process, and watch how your fluency grows day by day. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, this is English Easy to Learn. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.